question. So here what they are given, the 12,000. Okay, so the totally the 12,000 is becoming 12,600 in a year. So what I say, 12,000 becoming 12,600. Okay, 12,600. So we have to find the rate, how far it has been changed. Okay, so with this one we are finding the rate, and with this calculation we have to do it for 18,000 for 7 years period. Okay, so in terms of the simple interest, what is the calculation means? So first of all I say A is equal to P plus SI. So we can find A means amount. Okay, P means principal amount. So principal means first if you are investing 12,000 means it is becoming 12,600. That is why the calculation. And SI means simple interest. Okay, SI means simple interest, and the T refers to time as usual. Okay, so calculation, you know the calculation, first one is A is equal to P plus SI. So automatically we get the 12,600 as the final amount. That's the total amount you're getting. So in that principal amount is 12,000. So that is equal to 12,000 plus SI. SI we don't know separate. What's the SI formula means? SI is equal to, look at the formula. That means what, first one, you are having the first amount, that is a principal amount 12,000 into rate. Okay, and then afterwards into number of years, that's the time. Okay, that is the time, number of years, because it has clearly mentioned that in a year's time. Yeah means 1 year, and totally it is divided by what, you have to just make it as 100. Okay, 100 you have to make. So like this, if you do the calculation means you will get, so rate only it is unknown, is it right? So once again I have to make it in this. So this is equal to 12,000 plus 12,000 into, I can make the bracket, okay, into R into 1 divided by 100. Years you make it as 1 itself. Okay, don't take it as 12 months or 360 days like that. Okay, so after doing all this calculation, you find R is equal to 5%, because we are having the things for 100 days, right? So now we have found out the R. Okay, with this R is going to get calculated to this 18,000. Okay, this 18,000 we are going to find now. So we know that principal is equal to 18,000, right? Principal is equal to 18,000. So we have the actual calculation. So totally with this one, this formula, A is equal to P plus SI. So P plus SI, principal amount is 18,000, right? 18,000 plus, take in the bracket, first amount is 18,000, it's principal amount, into, what's the rate of interest we found out? 5%. Here we don't know. Here we found out the 5% rate, so that you have to make it as 5. And how much time? Time is 7 years time. There 1 year, right? So 7 divided by 100. So if you do so means you will get the answer as 18,000 plus, so here these two will get a cancel. 5 of the 35 into 2, automatically get a 6,300. So it is equal to 24,300. That is the final answer. So 24,300. Option number C is the final answer. Okay, thank you very much. If you have any doubts, come in the comment box. Thank you.